Hi, Teddy here. From day one, our mission has been to capture the world and to make it available to everyone. The technology that makes this possible is reality capture. It allows us to generate incredibly detailed 3D models from simple pictures, and is one of the fastest and most accurate photogrammetry solutions in the world. In fact, we used it to create the entire Megascans library. Today, I'm excited to announce that Capturing Reality, the makers of this amazing piece of software, is joining Epic Games. We're joining forces to help bring this technology to everyone, making it more affordable and accessible so that we can capture the world together. With that, I would like to turn it over to my colleagues Martin and Michal at Capturing Reality to say a few words.
Hi everyone, Michal
and Martin with Capturing Reality here.
Our dream has always been to bring scanning to everyone by giving our customers the most powerful and easy to use photogrammetry solution on the market.
We are proud that what was once a tiny Slovakian company has helped revolutionize 3D.
With Quixel having created the world's largest scan library,
and Epic's mission to empower developers to create and share compelling real-time 3D content and experiences,
it is the perfect home for our team.
On behalf of everyone at Capturing Reality, we are thrilled to join Epic Games.
And together with Epic, we are committed to make our software the best it can be for every industry.
So to our customers, this will only change your experience with our software for the better.
Thank you for your support. We would like to now hand it back over to Teddy.
Thank you, Martin and Michal. By joining forces, our aim is to allow everyone to join us in this journey to capture and share the beauty of the real world. Thank you for your continued support. We look forward to the exciting opportunities ahead.